Where are we going?
To a parade.
A parade? Why are we driving?
Hey, it's a long time there.
It's a long time there. That's a good idea. So we are going to a reverse parade. A couple of weeks ago we had a snowstorm, which you can't tell now because there's no snow on the ground. But there was a snowstorm and they canceled the parade 2 weeks ago that we were supposed to go to. And so now they're doing a reverse parade, which is, I guess you basically like drive through the parade. I don't know. We were going to walk through it because we're like less than a mile from like where the parade is, and so it was like maybe we'll walk through it, but it was like highly recommended not to, just for the safety of everyone. Anyway, we're waiting in line now. It's in your eyes. Look at you, buddy. You upside down? Hi. Yes, you. We are here. It's sort of a reverse parade before. Have you guys heard of that before? So I guess like they're all set up here and you just like go through it. We've been waiting.
Mama.
We've been in the car 40 minutes. It's like less than a mile away. See the dinosaurs? Hi. Oh my goodness, her skirt's going up. Is that funny? And the Grinch and the gingerbread house. So we had fun down there. There wasn't like a lot of floats and stuff, but there was just like a bunch of people giving out candy. It was kind of funny because everyone was giving out candy, and then this one float or person was giving out toothbrushes. So they handed us like oodles of toothbrushes. So praise the Lord, I probably have 30 toothbrushes now, so we should be set. Along with candy, and one person was handing out little soup cups. So we got 6 of those, which is awesome. I'm actually excited for that because I ate like an apple for lunch. So I'm like, I wonder what kind of soup that is. So that is lovely. And then everyone was kind of offloading a bunch of candy on us. And then I wish I was eating gluten because Cognan's Donuts was there, and that is like, I don't want to say world renowned, but pretty, I don't want to say famous either, but anyone around, it's like kind of like Maine has Moxie for a drink. I would probably say Cognan's Donuts is like this place that everyone wants to go to for donuts. And I didn't know that until a while back. A woman came up and brought 2 dozen donuts for our family to taste. And I was like, oh my goodness, these donuts are so good. And she's like, yeah.
I like them.
And so I was like, oh, it's okay. Like, you don't have to give everyone donuts. She's like, no, I have like 100 more donuts that I need to offload. And I was like, oh, okay. So everyone in the back has a donut. And there were 2 donuts up here. Yeah. So beautiful donuts and a pile of candy. The donuts. Okay, this is our pile. So we have candy and toothbrushes and more toothbrushes and more candy. We're trying to, so we had coffee here and then it just kept like piling all over the place. I have like a mound all over the place. So yeah. Hey, we have toothbrushes. I told you we had a ton of toothbrushes. And then this is the candy that we got. Did Azure get a toothbrush? Uh-oh.